Paksida বিশ্বাস, residing at village Murali, post Bamangachi, PS Dattapukur, 24 Pigeons North. Pin number 743248, State West Bengal, India. Hereby declare the following. I am the chief of Sampurn Nemadin. My Aadhaar card number is 851412601769 and my PAN number is ABUPH 2220E. Under my supervision, I have 6 assistant chief. I have known the personally for a long time. They are trustworthy, diligent, and the committed individuals. I have full confidence in their capabilities, works, ethics, and integrity. I strongly believe that my assistant chief, along with our coordinator, team leaders, and members, possess the potential to successfully undertake various business ventures. Their effort will contribute not only to the growth and success of Sampurn Nemadin, but also to the overall economic development of our country. List of assistant chiefs. Name: number 1 Abid Hossain, ID number SIAC 2618XC, Aadhaar number 647985606919 and PAN number AGLPH 8059H. Number 2 Ghulam Mustaqim, SIAC 3408XC, Aadhaar number 663510427300, PAN number BJMPM9167L. Number 3 assistant chief's name Sheikh Shahinul Islam, ID number SIAC 3664XC, Aadhaar number 806598770696, PAN number ABS PI 1646P. Number 4 Abdul Salam Mondol, ID number SIAC 5734XC, Aadhaar number 206496118807, PAN number DCVMP 4324K. Number 5 Gazi Sultan Ahmed, SIAC 5735XC, Aadhaar number 618359322277, PAN number APEPA 3562J. Number 6 Mahdi Hassan, ID number SIAC 5737XC, Aadhaar number 36463923425580, PAN number ADAPH 4435M. These things I am in the knowledge, in a healthy brain and without any revelation. This declaration is made in good faith and with sincere intention to support the collective goals of our organization and nation. Thank you.